how I sound. That's how I sound on the low.
With the auto tune on.
This is how you sound. Oh my
Oh my god, it's crazy because I never even actually heard myself.
This your first time hearing yourself?
Yes.
Really?
This is with auto tune.
How'd it feel?
Good, like I feel like
Were you nervous at first?
Yeah.
You're gonna make me cry. You're gonna make me cry.
wow.
Turn the thing a little louder. Now, we're gonna put some reverb on your voice, make it sound like it's taking place in like a big room. Watch this.
My own so about to make me cry. Yes, I love that. Why I'm trying to record.
Yeah, we did that. We did that. Wrote that. She wrote that. Wow. When'd you write this song?
Last week.
Last week? Wow. Yeah, we were just talking about your lyrics are deep.
I know it comes from the heart.
Her lyrics always come from the heart.
No, I love that.
She is my best friend. She is gay for like 4 years.
I can see it. I love y'all tandem together.
That's why he put us together because we get along both.
Exactly. Yeah. Y'all definitely both fun.
Without her, I'd probably be in jail right now. Or without my girlfriend, I'd probably be in jail.
Man, I think you can make a career out of this. What you think?
Yeah, I always I want to come back here more. Like I'm trying to crowd my own song.
Well, like I was telling Ross.
I'm trying not to cry right now. Oh my god.
Like I told Ross, you always got a home here. You know? Always come back.
I can believe that sound just like you. Hey guys, it's your girl Unique. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this YouTube video, this is just gonna be a day in the life of what I do on the regular days and stuff. So I'm gonna do y'all. I'm gonna take y'all along with me, the things that I do during the day and stuff. I'm gonna show you some of my clothes that I got. And yeah, this is just gonna be a part 1 of my daily life. But it's plenty of vlogs coming and all that. I'm gonna be posting almost like every day and stuff. So yeah, so my hair looking a little kind of crazy right now. But yeah, I don't worry about it because it's in a bun. So I just want to show y'all around my clothes. And so I know I already showed you my purses and stuff, but I just want to like show you what I do like on a regular and stuff. So first I just sit, just listen to music, listen to Future Food.
When we were together, I held you down.
And now I just walk around and just like just sit down, just talk. But hold on, I'm about to like write in my music book, do all that. Hold on. I'm trying to do. So my therapist, she had gave me this magazine, like it helps for me depression and stuff. She gave it to me, so I'm about to sit here and do it if I can find my pen. This is what I do basically on a daily basis. She gave me 2 books right here. But yeah, this video is going to be like probably extra long. That's why it's called A Day in the Life with Unique, which what I'll be doing. So this is what I'll be doing. So I'm gonna just sit here. I already did this one. Let's see. Y'all listen to Keisha Cole. This just the book. I think this just the magazine right here. I'm just reading this now. After you escape from dangerous way, get help, find food, building trust, talk. People that tries to make the way you see for adults and who will listen to you talk to each other and my helping hand. So it's basically my helping hand. Now I'm about to answer the question. A person from school, helping hand. And these fingers, write the names of the people who are a part of your helping hand. Let's see. So basically, I'm just writing in here. It's basically my depression books. It's about questions and stuff. And this stuff, like, it really helps and stuff. You know, like, it really do helps. Mom. A relative who doesn't know you. Sissy. Someone from your church team. No. Nobody. Now that's finished. I don't want to do no more of that. Now I want to just like read a book.
You could have dinner with anyone. Where to be? Let me call Jeremy real quick.
Don't give out personal information. Use screen your name profile. Like just talk stuff about classroom, text, mystery, emails. You should read them. So if motivates, don't combine, but take name and all around something. This feels like your school. Okay, I'm about to skip to the other part. So, alright. Something like this. This is what the book is really called right here. Okay. Another thing I do in my daily life, I do all day is I just sit and chill, write music, magazine. I do want to show y'all my tights and stuff. I'm gonna show you the outfit that I got. So I'm thinking about like I don't feel like trying it on, but like yeah. I listen to music. Okay. Okay, so now I'm about to show y'all like 1 or 2 pairs of my outfits. Yeah, I don't feel like doing a whole shopping spree. I really don't. It's like a whole outfit here. See, something like that. Now, but I think I'm not going to show y'all. Yeah, I'm not going to show y'all. What I really want to do is I want to take a long show. But this is basically what I do on my chill day. Like sometimes I just lay down and stuff. What else? What else do I do? But yeah, usually I do go and brush my teeth for some reason during the day. But yeah, that's not a normal thing for most people. So yeah. I showed you my purses and stuff. I showed you my room. I showed you all my walls and stuff. So yeah. And what else? Yeah. Just lay here and just chill. And just talk to y'all. But I just want to let y'all know, like, I know how I told y'all about my breakup and stuff, but I just want to let you know, like, your girl, she is doing so fine. She's doing so much better. And she's not worrying about nobody or nothing. Because at the end of the day, she's more worth there than that. And yeah, yo, what's really going on with my hair? Hold on, guys. But yeah, I had to put my hair in a bun and stuff. Like, girl, guys, like, my hair was looking a hot mess. I don't care. I'm in the house and it's still looking a mess. But yeah, I just want to let you know, like, your girl, she is doing so good and stuff after the breakup and stuff. You know, I just been I've been talking to a couple of friends and stuff. I've been posting on my YouTube channel lately and stuff. And my last YouTube video that I posted like 2 days ago was about relationship tips and stuff. So if y'all really haven't go watch that, y'all should really go watch that, because whoever just now getting out of a breakup, you really should go watch that video and stuff. Basically, this video is just a day in the life with me, like what I do on a daily and stuff. Sit down and just talk to y'all and stuff. Sometimes I might even just fall asleep and just wake up. Yeah, I think I might as well just take a nap. So I'ma just see y'all like in an hour or so, I think. I'm thinking, do I really want to take a nap? Should I? I'm thinking, should I or should I not? I don't know. Oh. But for my birthday, you know what? Let me just tell y'all. It's going to be a part 1 vlog. So for my birthday, I'm going to Rainbow. I'm going to get a pretty outfit. I'm going to get dressed. I'm going out with my 3 friends. With my 4 friends. With my 3 friends. We're going downtown to Fashion District to walk around and look. And also, let me tell y'all, I have orientation for Burlington Monday. So, I will be working soon. I'm excited about that and stuff. And yeah, I do want to go brush my teeth for some reason. But then again, I don't want to. I'm not saying that I don't brush my teeth. Like, I always brush my teeth literally during the day, and I'll also start brushing in the morning and stuff. But yeah, I start my job for Burlington Monday. I go in for orientation. I guess from there they're gonna tell me what day should I work and stuff. So So I'm super proud of myself. Like, after everything that happened for the last week, like, I just feel like that I made so many accomplishments in my life and stuff, and I realized that boys are nothing in this world and stuff, and it's just crazy and stuff. But what I'm gonna just keep on doing is working hard, because guess what? When I be making my cheddar, he's gonna be one running back crying to me, and guys gonna be like, nope, I don't miss you. Bye, I'll go that way. Yeah. But that was part 1. I'm gonna come up with a part 2 for what I'm gonna do for my birthday. Well, a vlog, because I'm making a long vlog on my birthday. It's July 7th, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. I'm going to be posting more and more every single day, since it's about to be June and stuff. I think I'm going to make a vlog on getting my hair done. I don't know. But I know I said that I was going to do a morning routine, because I already did a night routine. I'm going to do a morning vlog. Hopefully by next week, I'm gonna really do a morning vlog. I promise I'm gonna do a morning vlog next week. Therapy is going good and stuff. I see my therapist Tuesday and stuff. But yeah, basically this is just a daily life vlog for me. But yeah, I'm gonna just see you on the next video. I'm about to take a nap. It's like I've been making this vlog for like a hour now and stuff. This video was supposed to be posted yesterday, but I decided to just make it today and stuff. And yeah, so basically, yeah, this is just a daily life, what I sit down just do and stuff. Get my covers and yeah. And there's a sunshine, there's the clouds and the stars and the whole that it feels like a cold night. And then after that, what I do is I make my bed. Well, that's gonna be in the morning. Y'all need to figure that out. But yeah, that was basically the end of my video. That's basically what I do during the day. I sit down, I watch movies, I listen to music, I write in my journal and stuff, and it will be a part 1 on how my orientation goes and stuff. So I make a video for that Tuesday and stuff. So yeah, like I said, it's U to the N to the I to the Q to the U to the E. I see y'all in the next video. Bye. I just want to let y'all know, when when the intro first comes on, it's me singing my very first song, Dear Life and stuff. So it's a video at the end when it's over and stuff. So basically, I just want to like give y'all like a quick heads up on my new song, Dear Life and stuff. So yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I just want to say thank you so much for going on this long journey with me. I truly appreciate it. Bye.